Welcome back, guys. We have another week here of AcornProductions, and it's been an interesting week. What we can see, we're well and truly into the green now for this year. Let's have a look at some stats. It's looking like, honestly, one of our best months ever. By the looks of it, 17% up. We had a rough start to the start of the year. It was looking close to one of our worst months, and now we're looking at one of our best months. So it's a very interesting 2024 so far. Now, what's gone on in the past week is the absolute skyrocket of anything to do with crypto. So we've got Bitcoin at almost 60,000 here, which is quite crazy. 58,000. It's almost at its all-time high. It's been skyrocketing. You can see we're almost double from when we bought that. Remember, this should only be 10% of our portfolio, and it's already 12. Now, what's been more interesting is that this skyrocket of Bitcoin has actually sent MicroStrategies, which is a Bitcoin-related company, and Coinbase soaring through the roof. So what's really interesting about all this is actually the companies related to crypto in our portfolio growing faster than the actual cryptos, which is really weird. Maybe people have more faith in companies to capitalize. Not too sure, but maybe more people feel comfortable investing in companies. I don't know what it is, but I'm really tempted to start taking some profit soon. Things look like they're doing very well, but we should only really be taking profits a month from now according to our current strategy. But I am thinking of rebalancing the portfolio every month and changing it to a monthly thing. It's still a deliberation. I'll let you guys know next week, but for now we'll stick to what we do. Now, here we can see our top performers are all crypto related, besides for Nvidia, which has been booming. I think that's been quite a strong company recently. We've had Facebook doing quite well, and you can see the rest of the top are crypto. Amazon has fixed itself up quite well, and look at this, Berkshire Hathaway, a good performer, even outperforming Microsoft, Google. And we have actually our worst performer, which is our top holding, which is Tesla. So we rebalance that, add a bit more. Now I'm deliberating my position on Tesla. I'm probably going to think about it for probably another month, but the chart doesn't look too promising. I believe that Tesla will be around long term, and technology company and all of this. And I've been talking to some people that are top Tesla holders, and the problem with Tesla, it's so big, it's a great battery, it's got a lot of pros to it. I'm just not sure how the stock will perform. I'm going to hold it a little bit longer, and I'm going to rethink its sort of huge position in our portfolio. We'll probably continue to hold it. I'm just not sure about the really big weighting that we have for it, because it is a big part of our portfolio, and there's other places I could put money right now, especially in the core part of the portfolio. But for now, it's just a deliberation. Surprisingly, Apple coming back a little bit too. And here obviously we have silver, gold, and this is just bonds, which there is a little bit of news for you guys. We've got about 10% cash at the moment, because when it comes to our reserves, which is silver, gold, and bonds, I've actually removed Vici and Arbor. So I don't really think they hold. I don't really think I want cash flow to be part of this portfolio. I've been thinking about it, and I've sort of made the call on that one. I really don't feel like those two companies are companies I can close my eyes and hold for 10 years. And yeah, it just really makes me feel uneasy. This channel, this portfolio. We've got my family's money, we've got my money. It's a little project of mine that I take seriously, so they're just not something I feel comfortable holding. We didn't per se lose money on them, but cash flow doesn't really help with what I've got going on eToro. Really, I'm looking for 30% capital gains in this sort of portfolio every year, and yeah, that doesn't really help me. Now, I'm probably thinking of either holding a bigger cash position or something a little bit more defensive that can balance out the portfolio. I really want to do another video explaining to you guys, maybe really simply. I can pin it on my channel what the strategy is. For this channel, obviously we've got 4 separate parts of the portfolio, but I really think I haven't done the best job maybe pinning a video like that so people can understand what it's all about. But for now, guys, we've had a really good week. We've got Coinbase and MicroStrategies continuously as our top performers. I mean, MicroStrategies, it's just such a ridiculous holding. It's approaching its all-time high here. And essentially it's just continuing to buy Bitcoin. Yeah, of course he's selling. His stock is really, really high. But yeah, I think it's booming right now because Bitcoin is booming, and also they recently bought more Bitcoin. They're one of the largest holders of Bitcoin. But we'll continue to stack up and see where it goes. It's been a pleasure for all of you copying or joining me here on the first time. Welcome. I'll catch you guys all next time.